Now let's look at this example. We have two cars and they are 570 miles apart and whose speeds differ by 2 miles per hour. And these two cars are moving toward each other. So if they meet in 5 hours, we want to find the speed of each car. Now in this problem, there are two unknowns. And the unknowns are the speed of each car. So if we call them, this is a car A, and this is a car B. Since their speeds, the difference of their speeds is 2 miles. So if we net the speed of car A be x, then the speed of the second car it will be x minus 2 or x plus 2. Why? Because right now we don't know which car is faster. So, but it doesn't matter. This will not affect how we solve this problem. So let's assume the car B, the speed of the car B is less than the speed of car A. So we decide to use x minus 2 to represent the speed of car B. And you can use the x plus 2 if you want a car B, if you assume car B is faster than car A. It doesn't matter, okay? Now, then we are told they are moving toward each other. So, let's see, this is a time, and this is the how much each car traveled, the distance. So after 1 hour, how many miles will car A travel? So car A will travel the speed x multiplied by this 1 hour. So it will go x miles, right? And after 2 hours, it will go 2x miles. Therefore, after 5 hours, car A will go 5x miles. And similarly for car B, after 1 hour, it will go, because now the speed we use x minus 2 to represent. So after 1 hour, it will go x minus 2 miles. And after 2 hours, it will go 2 times x minus 2. Right, because the distance is equal to the time multiplied by the speed. So therefore, after 5 hours, it will go this amount of miles, 5 times x minus 2. Since these two cars, they meet in 5 hours, so after 5 hours, the car A drives to here, and the car B it moves to here, so they meet here. And the distance between these two positions is gonna be how many miles does car A travel. So this is 5x. Let me use a different color. So the distance of this is 5x, And the distance of these two is 5 times x minus 2. So car B travels 5 times x minus 2. Because we know at the beginning the distance between these two cars is 570 miles. So therefore, the sum of these two pieces is equal to 570. So we can have this equation 5x. Now again, remember 5x represents the number of miles car A travels, and 5 times x minus 2. This is the number of miles car B travels, and the sum of these two should be equal to 570. So 5x plus 5x minus 10 equals 570. So 10x equals 580. So x equals 58. Therefore, the speed of car A is 50 miles per hour. And the speed of car B, since is x minus 2, so it is 56 miles per hour.